Hello everyone, Jess Swamiyan, Principles of Management, Semester 5. The subject code is 315110, 5th Sem. Unit 5, Principles of Management, Line Organizations. But in the previous lecture we had discussed about meaning of organization structure and principle of organization and types of organization, formal and informal. So an organized structure defines how activities such as task allocation, coordination and supervision are directed toward the achievement of organizational aims. Organizational structure affects how organization action and provides the foundation on which standard operating procedures and routines rest, which is called organizational structure. Traditional organized structure come in 4 general types: functional, division and matrix also. And line. Today we are going to discuss about line organization. Line organization is a simple and the oldest type of organization followed in an organization. Simple and the oldest type of organization, which is called line organization. Under line organization, each department is generally a complete and self-contained unit. Under line organization, each department is generally a complete self-contained unit. A separate person will look after the activities of the department and he has full control over the department. Line and staff organization, both dear all. The line officers have authority to take decisions. Line officers उसे कहते हैं who have authority to take any decisions and implement them to achieve the objectives of the organizations. So each and every subordinates are including and support the main person to implement their decisions and complete their goals. The line officers may be assisted by the staff officers while framing the policies and plans. Line officers may be assisted by the staff officers while framing the policies and plans. Matrix. What is called matrix? An organization that employs multiple command structure but also related support mechanisms and an associated organization culture and behavior patterns. Like the matrix organization followed where a large of small projects have to be managed. Hybrid. A hybrid organization is an organization that maximizes elements, value systems and action logics. For example, social impact and profit generation of various sectors of society. For example, the public sector, the private sector and the voluntary sector. So it is called hybrid organization structure. What is the span of control? Next question is, what is the span of control? The number of people who report to one manager. The number of people who report to one manager in hierarchy. It is called span of control, but in hierarchy. The more people under the control of one manager. So the manager is one, उसके अंडर में बहुत सारे लोग हैं और सब उनको ही इन हायरार्की वे में उनको डिटेल्स इंफॉर्मेशन साइन करते हैं. द वाइडर स्पान ऑफ कंट्रोल. लेस मीन्स अ नैरोवर स्पान ऑफ कंट्रोल. लेस मीन्स अ नैरोवर स्पान ऑफ कंट्रोल. Example below shows a span of control of 4 for the marketing manager, marketing assistant, market researcher, telesales supervisor, customer care assistant. Departmentalization. The meaning of departmentalization is defined as the process of grouping individual jobs into departments. It is defined as the process of grouping individual jobs into departments. It involves grouping of activities and employees into departments so as to achieve the organizational objectives. It involves a grouping of activities and employees into departments so as to achieve the organizational objectives. The grouping into departments of work activities that are similar and logically connected. Grouping means the departments of work activities which are similar and logically connected ho, so it is called departmentalizations. Look at here, dear all, top managers, middle managers and first line managers. Top managers यानी set objectives, scan environment and who plans and make decisions. Middle managers report to top management, oversee first line managers, develop and implement activities, dividing, allocate resources. ये middle managers का task है. And first line managers का task क्या है? report to middle managers. मिडल मैनेजर्स टॉप मैनेजर्स को वो फॉरवर्ड करेगा. सुपरवाइज एम्प्लॉयज़ कैसे काम करते हैं, क्या काम करते हैं, सब कुछ. कोऑर्डिनेट एक्टिविटीज़ आर इन्वॉल्व इन डे टू डे ऑपरेशंस. सो डिपार्टमेंटलाइजेशन इन विच इज़ गिवन इन टॉप, मिडल एंड फर्स्ट लाइन मैनेजर्स. फर्स्ट लाइन मैनेजर्स रिपोर्ट टू मिडल एंड मिडल रिपोर्ट टू टॉप मैनेजर्स रिगार्डिंग ऑल दिस थिंग्स. Thank you very much, dear all.